everyone, welcome back to Sally Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 2nd to the 6th of December 2024 on Monday. Vuyokazi learns a shocking truth that leaves her heartbroken. Zimkhitha continues to play games, but Msimele refuses to see and accept the truth about the relationship on Tuesday. Zimkhitha cut Msimele down to size with her sharp tongue. Vuyokazi's extreme measures to rid Lulama of her addiction lands her in deep trouble on Wednesday. Vuyokazi believes that the devil has Lulama in his clutches. Zimkhitha reels after Ntando threatened her with a restraining order. Msimelo's midlife crisis is starting to go away on Thursday. Vuyokazi seek all help she can get for Lulama. Zimkhitha is starting to be repulsed by Msimelo's presence, while Msimelo is starting to have regrets about his decision to choose her over his family on Friday. Msimelo's world crumbles while Funega's world blossoms with all new things beautiful. Vuyokazi finally finds a solution she believes will help Lulama once and for all. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.